All right, guys, today I'm excited to show you guys this one. This is gonna be one for all my first time buyers. This one is gonna be unique. It's gonna be something that a lot of you guys might not seen before. So this one is gonna be a four bed, 2.5 bath, and it's gonna be priced at $230,000. This one's gonna be a 2-story home. And let me start you off from the outside to show you guys what that looks like. All right, so I'm also gonna go over the numbers with you guys, but pretty much this is what the neighborhood looks like. It's currently under construction. As you guys see, everyone's working today. It's a sunny day out after the storm. But yeah, guys, this is the product. It's gonna be a two-story siding on the exterior. Siding is made out of hardy board, so it's gonna be really durant. It's not gonna be wood. Looks like wood, but it's not wood. So let's take a look at it. It's gonna be about it's 1648 square feet, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. So I'm gonna go over the numbers with you guys on this one, so you guys could see what I'm talking about. Monthly payment, if you're a first-time buyer and you qualify for the FHA buyer, for the FHA loan, and you use the builder's preferred lender, monthly payment on something like this could be around $1,648, less than what a lot of people are paying in a month in rent. And this is for a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. So here we're gonna have the garage. That's the entrance. This is gonna be the half bath for all the guests. Half bath. And take a look at it, guys. $1,650 a month. With a down payment would be something around $7,000 to $8,000. We can get you into something like this. This is pretty much the kitchen. This is a nice layout. It looks small from the outside, but once you're in, looks really nice. So pretty much you get a lot of countertop space. Your microwave's gonna go there. This is gonna be your little dining area, and it fits the table really nice, actually. This is the space underneath the staircase. That's the storage space. Let me know what you guys think. I actually think that this is a nice layout. Feels big inside, but not super small so that's the cool thing about it. Take a look at the backyard. Really good sized backyard. Can't complain about the backyard. And this one's gonna have all the bedrooms upstairs, so mostly downstairs. So you're gonna have is just a nice living room area. These don't come with any covered patios, so all you're just gonna have is just backyard space. But guys, for $1,650 a month and an $8,000 down payment, does not get it any better than this. Keep in mind, the price is only $230,000. The only reason why the payments are this low is because the builder's buying down the rate, and buying down the rate means a lower rate, and a lower rate just means a lower monthly payment for you guys. So this is gonna be the primary bedroom. We're gonna have the primary bathroom here. We only get one sink, the toilet. Take a look at this, a nice sized closet. And this is gonna be the primary bedroom. It's not gonna be the biggest, but you can still fit a queen size bed with no problem. And so you guys can see here, this is pretty much what we get. So let me know what you guys think so far. If you guys like the size, 1650 square feet as well. So almost 1700. This is gonna be bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. Again, these bedrooms are not gonna be the biggest, but still can fit a nice queen size there. This is perfect for a lot of first-time buyers that just want to stop renting or just want to get something on your own and not have a crazy payment. Especially with today's economy, guys. You guys gotta make sure you keep in mind your payment. As realtors, and I have a lot of friends that always get people that come back that went out and got a $4,000 or $4,500 monthly payment, and now they thought they could, but now they want out of it. So usually that's what I see a lot. So that's what I tell you guys, make sure the payment fits your needs. And this is gonna be the laundry space. That's gonna be for the washer, this for the dryer. So they usually have a system where if it ever leaks, it can go pretty much to the outside. So it would leak to the outside. So let's close this. And a lot of you guys might now be wondering, where are we? We're in Collin County. We're gonna be in Princeton, which is the south side of Princeton, south of 380. We're about 30 minutes from Frisco, 30 minutes from Plano. This is gonna be bath number 2. Nice little shower here. Take a look at the neighborhood again. But yeah, so guys, we're gonna be about 30 minutes from Frisco. Collin County, you would still get Princeton School District, which is a really good school district. And still not be far from society. McKinney is 15 minutes from here. The McKinney Airport is going to be about 10 minutes from here. And the lake, LeBon Lake, it's about 5 minutes from here as well. So you guys get a lot of good stuff here. This is going to be the final bedroom number 4. But yeah, they made a good use of this space. Y'all let me know what you guys think. If y'all are interested and want to take a look at them this weekend, let me know. Book a call in the link, and we'll be more than happy to bring you guys out here.